I was worried you broke my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. This very finger for people like them. Oh no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me for another video. So today we are going to be doing a complete ultimate kitchen deep spring clean. So if you need motivation to clean your kitchen, then just keep watching.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
So guys, I thought I would start a little series on my channel of spring cleaning, and I thought I would dedicate one video per room or per zone to really giving a nice deep spring clean, because it is spring in Australia, in the Southern Hemisphere. So I thought I would do a spring cleaning series with just a video dedicated to each room or zone in the house, starting with, of course, the kitchen. Now, although the kitchen gets a pretty decent clean once a week here, and every day at the end of the day and throughout the day, I clean as I go, of course, but the things like the oven, the range, just the skirting boards, the kickboards around the base of the cabinets, they all needed a really nice, good detail clean, and everything just kind of needed, you know, taking everything off the counters and just wiping behind everything. All of the tiled backsplashes needed a really good scrub down. The dark cabinets, I have to say, in this rental are not my favorite. They really are so hard to keep looking clean, but it is what it is, and I'm just making do with the cabinets that I've got in this rental. So as you can see, I am giving the range hood a really nice clean out. I've removed the grills or the vents, and I've just popped those in the dishwasher. I just always run them through the dishwasher. Then I just pull apart the range hood and then just give it a nice scrub down.
In a safe place, I got room to breathe. Been a long chase, but at last I'm free. These open woods, I knew I could find peace here. Nothing like the city where I got tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the stunning high mountain tops. Promised lands to find my path, see the planet from greater heights. I have found a place out of time and space, far from city lights, up on greater heights. See the blue sky, feel the wind that blows. Get the rush in, heaven only knows.
So for the cabinets and the backsplash tiles, I'm just using a mixture of multi-purpose spray. I used some Mrs. Meyer's and some Method multi-purpose sprays. And I also used the Fairy dishwasher spray. So it's like a dishwashing liquid that's in a spray bottle. And I really like it. It is really good for anything that's got like grease or grime that you really want to cut through. I also used it actually to clean the inside of the oven with. And for the oven trays and racks, I actually used a box kit, which is oven power. So I will share how that turned out in the next episode of this spring cleaning series. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss an episode in this series. I've honestly tried absolutely everything to get these cabinet fronts clean. The dark cabinets, I've never had cabinets like this before, and I will never ever rent or put them into a kitchen that I ever own. They are the absolute worst. If you have any tips on how to get those streaky marks from these dark cabinets, please let me know, because I have literally tried every single cleaning product, from furniture polish to multi-purpose spray, absolutely everything I have tried, and nothing gets them looking clean.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my tune. Choo-ah. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah.
For the stainless steel, I'm using the Method stainless steel cleaner. I like it. I use it for the fridges. I use it for the oven, the stainless steel on the range hood. I also use it for the stainless steel on the stove cooktop and anywhere that there is stainless steel trim throughout the kitchen, so on the cabinet handles or on any appliances. For this particular clean, I also used the Method heavy duty degreaser for the stove and the Method granite cleaner for the granite bench tops.
We got you better join in. You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby.
So this is the first time I've actually used this box kit oven power cleaning kit. I've heard really good things and really great reviews from like Australian mums cleaning Facebook sites and things like this. It's really popular, it is really well known, but I've actually never tried it. So as you can see, it comes like in this box kit with a solution and this special bag that you put all the bits in from your oven, so all your oven trays and bits and pieces, and then it says to leave it in there for between 4 hours and overnight. So I'm going to leave mine in overnight to get the best possible result. So that is why you're going to have to come back in the next episode to see how it turns out, because it's not going to be ready by the time this video is going to be published, but I'm sure it's going to work out great because there are just so many great reviews on it. But I'm super keen and interested to see how it turns out too.
How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here.
Now that the oven pieces are all soaking in their special soaking bag, I have just gone ahead and given the floor a vacuum because there were all little bits and pieces of crumbs that came out of the oven, and then giving the sink a really nice scrub down. Using Jif or cream cleanser is my absolute favorite way to give the sink, a stainless steel sink, a really nice deep clean. Nothing gets your sink as shiny as using Jif or a really nice cream cleanser.
I wanna get so numb, while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me.
Now, since we're giving the kitchen a really nice deep spring clean, I thought I would pull out the steam mop, which I don't use every time I clean the floors. Usually I'll just use a spray mop or a microfiber mop. But since we're going all out, I pulled out the steam mop because I really love how it gets the tiles super, super squeaky clean.
I can't believe you're here. Can't get any words, no.
And now before you know it, all the cleaning is finished and it is time for the best and most fun part, which is putting all of the decor back and all the little bits and pieces and decorations. I have switched around a few things in my kitchen, nothing too major, just the end of the bench where I have popped my coffee machine back again, and I have a little bread bin that I've bought recently, so I just kind of switched around a little bit. I didn't want to change up too much stuff. I put pretty much all of the things back exactly how they were.
It's the way you make me feel so good. I keep on falling astray from my intuition, but I'm pretending it's not my fault.
So guys, that about wraps it up for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed hanging out with me and giving my kitchen a nice deep spring clean. Hope it's given you some motivation if you are looking to give your kitchen a nice clean out. If it is spring or change of season, even just gearing up ready for Christmas. Like, Christmas is only, what, 12 weeks away? It is going to be here before we know it. So I am actually starting to do a little bit of spring cleaning preparation in each of my zones throughout the house to give it one big clean over before Christmas. Be sure to subscribe if you want to continue on with this series with me as I spring clean my way throughout the house and all of the zones in my home.
Around me like a borderline, our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky.
If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe before you go. You don't want to miss any of this upcoming spring cleaning content. Have a fabulous day, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.
And all the kids at school, they're wishing they were me that night. Took the midnight train going anywhere. I descend upon your earth from the sky. Strong. Oh, but they're so spaced out.